Black holes. Mysterious, massive, mind-bending, they've swallowed stars, warped time, and even made Matthew McConaughey cry. But how much of what we see in movies actually reflects reality? In this video, we're going to take a journey into the cinematic universe of black holes, to explore what filmmakers got right and what they got hilariously wrong, and why that matters. Before we dive into Hollywood, let's ground ourselves onto what a black hole actually is. At a core, a black hole is a region of space-time where gravity is so strong not even light can escape. They form when massive stars collapse, and they come in a few flavors: stellar, supermassive, and intermediate. Some key features include an event horizon, a singularity, maybe an accretion disk if it's feeding. Also, black holes don't just suck up things like vacuums, you'd have to get pretty close to feel the difference. Let's start with a fan favorite, Interstellar. The visual of Gargantula was so scientifically accurate, it actually helped publish a real scientific paper. The director, Christopher Nolan, teamed up with physicist Kip Thorne to get it right. That glowing halo? It's gravitational lensing, bending light from the accretion disk. Where it stretches the truth? Time dilation. It's real, yes, but in the extreme 51 years situation requires some very specific conditions that aren't fully explained in the movie. Still, A+ for effort. Now let's talk about the film Event Horizon. This film goes off the rails fast, literally. A spaceship creates an artificial black hole to jump through space, which also apparently opens a gateway to hell. There's no evidence black holes connect to other dimensions, or hell realms. Also, no, you don't go inside a black hole and come out into another place. Once you cross the event horizon, you're toast. Well, spaghetti, technically. Star Trek 2009 brings us red matter, a substance that creates black holes on demand. Sounds cool, but totally fake. In actuality, black holes form when an object, like a star, collapses into a small enough space that it gets sucked in by its own gravity, which in turn increases the density, increasing the gravity, until eventually you're left with infinite density at a single point in space where nothing, not even light, can escape. None of this on-demand red matter nonsense. This one's a throwback. Disney's The Black Hole was ahead of its time in visual effects, but behind in science. The depiction of what happens inside a black hole? Pure imagination. And that's fine, it's science fiction, but these portrayals stick with people. So why pick this apart? Because movies shape how people think about science. When black holes are shown as magic portals or universal erasers, it's easy to lose touch on how fascinating and real they actually are. The truth is, black holes are stranger and more beautiful than fiction, and when filmmakers respect the science, they don't just entertain, they inspire curiosity.